Everyone thinks national debt is a problem that needs fixing. That belief is so wrong, it's almost dangerous. Because the truth is, if governments actually paid off their debt, the global economy would collapse. And yes, it gets worse. Imagine waking up tomorrow to headlines screaming, "Governments begin paying off all debt." Markets would panic. Banks would freeze. Pensions would wobble like jelly on a moving truck. Even economists would start sweating, which is impressive because they're usually calm while being completely unsure. The official story goes like this. Governments borrow too much. Debt is irresponsible. Someday, it must be paid back. Sounds logical. Sounds responsible. And it's almost entirely fiction. Because that's not how sovereign debt actually works. Because here's the part they never teach you. Governments don't plan to pay off their debt. Not later, not eventually, not ever. Debt isn't a mistake, it's the product. Modern economies are built on rolling debt forever. Old bonds get replaced with new ones. Interest gets paid. Confidence gets renewed. It's like refinancing your house endlessly and calling it economic stability. And everyone involved knows it. This wasn't an accident. It was a system designed to never stop running. But the craziest part is still coming. Here's what happens next. Governments issue bonds. Banks buy them. Central banks buy them back using newly created money. That money flows into pensions, insurance funds, and investment portfolios. Meanwhile, taxpayers fund the interest payments. So the system feeds itself, quietly, endlessly. Greed turns into policy. Warnings get ignored, and debt grows faster than the economy underneath it. Some economists say this isn't a problem. Others whisper, it's the most elegant scam in history. And then comes the moment of truth. Not when debt gets too big, but when confidence cracks. This is when markets freeze. This is when interest rates spike. This is when entire countries get handed austerity instead of lifelines. If money could scream, this is where it would lose its voice. But here's the detail everyone ignores. People say, we owe it to ourselves. That's only half true. Because interest doesn't flow equally. It flows upward, from workers to institutions, from taxpayers to asset holders, from the many to the few. This is why inequality and debt rise together. Your rent, your taxes, your cost of living today, they're all echoes of decisions made to keep this machine alive. Debt isn't just money. It's power, it's trust, it's belief made tradable. The global economy isn't held together by repayment. It's held together by faith. And the real danger isn't how much we owe. It's what happens the moment we stop believing the promise will hold. And if you think this system is wild, wait until you see what happens when it finally breaks.